YouTubers? I am back with the electronics review 2015 already. In the electronic review I'm going to show you is the adapter that I'm going to take it to a different country, which is Australia. Now, I'm leaving on this Friday, just 2 more days, alright? Tomorrow I'll give you a goodbye, alright? So, get the electronics device right now. Alright, this one right here is this plug adapter from BESTEK, and there's only 3 plugs here. For me, and then there's a USB cable where you can charge from your iPhones and iPads, and there's a power switch in here. This black switch. And right here, we just to replace 2.4A here, 2.4A here. This row is 1A. This is where you charge 2 iPads. I hope they're starting phones. I hope so. And right here is this where you put them on. I'm not going to put description, just with the YouTube capture. You guys can read it. If you guys want to pause, you can pause it. Right? 200W portable power adapter and converter. Right? And this model here is MRJ201GU. Right here is input voltage 90-240 VAC 50/60Hz. Here the outputs are 200W rated, 230W max, and 100-120 VAC 60Hz. Last but not least, here is 4 times USB ports, outputs, DC 5V/4.2A, rated in parentheses 5V plus minus 0.25V/6.0A max. Parents have an electric toothbrush. For my brother, he's a little young. He's 7 years old. I don't know when he's gonna use an electric toothbrush. I know when did I start using the electric toothbrush? Since I was in a first grader. My brother's still young. He's still a first grade. He's gonna go to 2nd grade, but he's done. So everyone's done with school. Hope you guys have a good summer. Okay? But I'm not done with it. This is from BESTEK. I told you about power. Okay? Now right here, you can see where something, I think it's hot somehow. The thing is, and in here, that's where you put the power cord. Here. I'm gonna grab this power cord. So here, this power cord here, yeah, and this one, maybe this is from India, I hope. Okay, yeah, I mean this plug is from India, but we need an adapter. We have one for 3 different adapters. Okay, one is here, one is going to Australia, and then one more is some sort of different country, whatever that is. Okay, this adapter here, plug it to this power cord. Okay. It was plugged before, then I have to show you. how to plug this here. Is you use this and you connect it here by turning. So I'm gonna do it right now. Just give me a second. Alright, YouTubers, so now that has been plugged in. Now for now, I'm gonna give you the box. This is from the box here. BESTEK. BESTEK is the name of the adapter, which is this model here. This is, once again, 200W portable power adapter converter. Three different adapters. And this one, which is out of plastic to take it to Australia, which is this, okay? Now because it's going to Australia, the plug in here, not straight, like this. And then for the US, what I parents use, then this is straight. So we have opened this before, so in case I'm still in the US, I'm not in Australia quite yet. I hope to give you a video. I hope I'll show you pictures when I have done sightseeing. This is the what I'm going to take it to Australia. So I'm going to keep it out. That's what I'm going to take it to Australia. Okay. I'm going to close it properly. There. So now, this right here. If you guys are planning to go to India, this is from India. You don't have to have any adapter connected to it. If you guys are in India. Okay. And with the adapter to a different country out of India, then you might have to use an adapter for you still sticking to that. This is it. Australia plug adapter. Once I get to my hotel, in the hotel room, I don't know what hotel I'm staying. I hope it's luxurious right now. Let me get this thing. Okay. Alright. Looks good enough. Plug here. Hold on a second. Alrighty. Those ones are ready to go. It's ready to go on the trip to Australia. Okay. Wow. So that's been good enough. Alright. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy this video of it. Alright, YouTubers. I hope everybody's gonna have a good summer, alright?